Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I know a lot of people are trying to work with this Yescoin robot, so I checked the Twitter, everything is actually correct, and it has good background, so I just wanted to show you something. It's more easy to use it in Windows, actually, on your computer if you want to use this robot. So if you play Yescoin on your computer, so you're gonna have the bot here and you don't need to click anything here, just need to move your mouse around. And it's gonna be done. You don't need to click anything, or you don't need to use any robots to do the swap things or any other thing. You just need to move your mouse cursor around and it's gonna be saved. So I don't know how long it takes to be in tone actually, but this one is, I think, have good background, and it's really actually confirmed by Twitter and confirmed by Telegram. But there is something here. We have two Yescoins. So this one is working again. It's on Tone Coin actually now, on Tone Keeper, sorry. But we have another Yescoin that I try to mine. This one actually I used the robot for about, I think I have 2 millions of this, or I don't know, let me just check. I have a lot of this coin, but I don't know this one is working or not, because you see it's Yescoin here. Yescoin is another Telegram Web3 actually application here. There are a lot of things here. It's been let me just check this, but it's so slow here. It's been verified by Twitter, and it's been actually verified by Telegram previously, but now it's not verified. The robot, it doesn't have any verification on Telegram. It's not doing anything. I don't know why it's taking so long to open this. Says probably something, but I think this one is not kind of verified here. You see some pages are listing it, but there is no any news about how this coin is gonna be I think it's not gonna be open on web. Let me try it again. Okay, it's opening. There is no any valid connection or any actually task here. I have 9 millions of coins here, but there is no any connection with a wallet or anything here. But I think this one's gonna be something, probably something that says here. So I'm gonna put the both links on description, just check it. The previous one, Yescoin, is actually on Tone now. It's been verified by Telegram and verified by Twitter, but this Yescoin, it's not verified by Telegram, but it's in the network and it's working. I tried to use it multiple times, so it can be mine easy. It's not a lot actually. I try to mine it. It says 21 hours and 38 minutes, but when you mine and this actually progress bar, it's gonna be done. You close the bot and you run it again, the progress bar is full again, and you can click on it, and there are some actually a lot of 1 year, but all of them are 0. I don't know how this bot is working, but I don't put this one in description because I don't know this is gonna be something or not, but the real one has actually something to say because it's been connected to your Tonekeeper wallet. So just check it and say anything in comments you want, ask me anything. So a lot of people saying that this Web3s are not games. So they're actually some kind of games, but they're not developed in serious or 3D platforms. Some of them are in 3D platforms, and we're gonna have a video of that, but it's just a test of clicks. It's not gonna lose anything. You just test it and see what's happen at the end. So I'll put the link in the description and check it. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're gonna have a Web3 programming, so we're gonna have we're gonna create a robot with Web3 game, like something like Yescoin. I'm planning to do the connections with Telegram, and I'm gonna create something like Notcoin just in the demo mode. So we're gonna have a robot there. I don't know which language we're gonna use, because we can make the robots on Unity or with C# coding. We can do it on React Native. We can do it with Expo React or Python or .NET. We can do it in everything. I'm just checking for best option. We're gonna have a video with creating Web3 games. So if you have any idea, anything that can be useful for this course, you can comment on this video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Probably this is gonna be something, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for me. Thank you.